Okay, a couple more. We got Neo here, so I drew out this zone. This is where I wanted to short it from. Didn't make it above it. It was right at the bottom of this area, and seems to be respecting it a little bit and pulling back up, but I just don't think it's going to last. I think this is going to break this zone and then head lower. Put my September marker here. We'll extend this here because this is what I'm looking at as a monthly aspect. Yeah, maybe move this down to here because I think this is our new zone of resistance. This is our new shorting zone. We need price to break it though, for sure. I don't want to take a trade while it's inside by any means, but you can see it's making lower lows here versus here. It's way below this moving average. If we move to a 4 hour, it's way below. So the bears are definitely with us. They're definitely taking over. Shorting it is the way to go, but I wanted to break this zone and then look for an entry, because not only does it need to break this zone, if you look here, you can see it's actually respecting this zone. So if price is above this zone, I don't want to short it. I want it to break this zone, so I know that it's good to go. So I mean, an even better trade, just to be super safe, would be something like this, letting price break below this area, retest, and then enter, just so we know, because right now this is a support zone, so I want to make sure it's fully broken this support zone. Right now it's respecting it, so I mean, you don't want to take a short position when something's, when price is respecting a major area of support, right? Like this is ideally, if you were to buy this, this is where you would buy it. So I mean, I'm not going to buy it, and it's very bearish, but if you're looking at this from a bull perspective, if you thought Neo was bullish and was going to go up, this is where you would buy it from, is this support area. So, but I would not. I mean, you got lower lows, lower highs. The price action does not determine, is not determining that this is bullish by any means. So I'm looking to short this, but I want it to break this zone and retest, and then enter a short. Our monthly range, I mean, these are very hard to go off of, but we'll just go after the previous couple months here. So last month it moved $2.30. The month before that was $3.76. The month before that was $2.84. So maybe $2.50 to $3 is reasonable, but I mean, that would put us way below here. I don't know if it'll do that. It would have to break this area here, which I don't really want to count on it doing so, but I would target the bottom. For a short position, I would target the bottom of this zone, nothing more. I think it'll probably get bought up before it breaks this zone. I think it'll definitely get bought up. But I mean, this is right at $7 pretty much. So this is it's a whole level that price would really gravitate towards, is $7. So I think that would be good. I think very reasonable for you to target the $7 if price breaks below this zone and then retests a little bit. I would take that trade. The bearish momentum is definitely in your favor. Like I said, the lower lows, all your moving averages, price is below it. It's below on the 4 hour, the daily, even the 1 hour right now. So definitely a ton of bearish momentum in the market. So it's nice and ripe for a short position, but I want to see it break this zone first. I'm in no hurry. Break this zone, retest, enter your short, target $7, which is the bottom of this zone and within the monthly range. So that is my position setup for Neo.